morning. I have taken shelter here behind some bushes because it's pretty windy today, and there's some overcast as well, and even some rain. I'm going to La Mata Natural Park to try out some trails there, some that I have ridden and some special ones that I haven't ridden. So let's go then. Okay, this place is called Chernobyl of Torrevieja, because what you see behind me are cooling towers for a secret underground nuclear power plant. And you can even hear the sound from it. I'll go closer to this one. That's the sound of radioactivity right there. No? Yeah, what you see behind me are towers for pigeons, actually, racing pigeons, located here very strategically on the top of La Mata Natural Park. So this is basically where the pigeons live. So if you listen carefully, yeah, that's the sound of pigeons. So what I understand is that these pigeons are painted in different colors for different teams, and they are racing them in different places here in the region. Yeah, so if you do see a pigeon that is painted in bright colors, that's probably not a new species or anything that you've discovered. That's probably just a pigeon that got lost in a race. Yeah, so the trail down to La Mata National Park goes right down here. But what I'm going to do is to try something else that I've never tried before, and that is to go closer to N332. Yeah, this is probably not the best vantage point, but right down here next to the coastal highway is a section of many trails, and I've seen these trails many times when I've been passing through with my car. And I've always thought it would be fun to try them out. So today's the day. So I'll get down there, do a few runs, and then we will head down to La Mata National Park. Okay, so that was pretty fun, short but sweet. Okay, let's go to La Mata National Park. It's right down there in the background. Not sure it shows, but that's where it is. Yeah, so the main trail starts right about here somewhere, but there are many trails in this area. It's like a network of trails everywhere, so you can start from El Chaparral or from wherever really. I'm going to start here in the main trail, right behind me. Right here at the main trail, it's wise to take it a bit easy, because there are a lot of hikers, dog walkers, even horses, and you don't want to scare them. So we'll just take it a little bit easy here. Oops. right here at the bird watching tower. It's located at the southern bank at the turquoise salt lake. I have a friend who's an ornithologist, and he can stand here for days watching birds. Most of the trails in Parque Natural de la Mata are located between the pink and the turquoise lakes. The color of the lakes vary over the year, supposedly due to the salt levels. There is a small visitor center near the La Mata roundabout where I haven't been, but I wish I did visit it because the official website is a bit overly complicated to navigate through. There is a link in the description below if you want to check for yourselves. The trees in the park are mostly pine and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is, however, considered invasive and a problem for local ecosystems. There is an official bike trail here, marked in red. I didn't know about it at the time of filming, but I assume that the trail marked in red is rideable with a normal bike. In fact, all trails here are rideable with a normal bike, and you don't need a mountain bike to get around here. I have been biking all the way around both lakes, but I would recommend staying in between. South of the Pink Lake is only rideable at some places. You will always end up at the main road because of private land. North of the Turquoise Lake is rideable, but here's one of very few places in the region where I've had problems with loose dogs. Once I encountered a Rottweiler sitting outside a house. I saw it way too late to be able to get some distance between the dog and myself. Luckily, that particular dog seemed uninterested in me passing by. But at another occasion, the road passed the farm, and there a big and very vicious dog chased me for a few hundred meters. I normally don't have problems with barking dogs, but this dog clearly wanted to do more than barking. So to avoid any future hospital visits, I now stay away from this area where it seems, to me at least, that homeowners make a habit of keeping their dogs loose. Please let me know in the comments if you've had any bad experiences from loose dogs. Yeah, I think I'll end my video right here. Unfortunately, there is no cafe or anything right here in La Mata National Park, so I had to go a few kilometers to get my coffee and some breakfast. So, hasta luego. See you in the next video.
Te desvestiste, lo hicimos en la habitación, qué rico mami, pero en cosas del amor mucho fallaba, no había nada.